Adjacent to Sunny Elevator's production facility lies a highly organized parts warehouse, the vital heart of elevator production. Shelves are stocked with components of all sizes, sorted by usage and specs for effortless access. Smart tech streamlines operations. Automated stacker cranes swiftly move heavy parts, while an electronic inventory system tracks every item's details in real time. It instantly maps the best retrieval route, ensuring uninterrupted production. A climate-controlled zone protects sensitive parts, maintaining their quality. This optimized warehouse underpins Sunny's high-standard elevator manufacturing.